Chapter 5, Daksha the medicine girl. So already we saw how this girl Daksha treated the patients, how carefully she handled the situation. And here also they told how she took care of his fracture and then set right everything properly. Arjun's arm was healing and the swelling had also gone. So Subedar Hamid was very happy how she was taking care of Panditji and Daksha's animals. And in the next chapter, they are telling about, before that they are telling the concept time about the external and internal traits. External traits, internal traits. External traits, internal traits means the character file. What is a character file? A character file records all information about a character, about a person's character. It can contain what a character looks like, what they do not like, and all. So it is very important to record this. External means you can know a person externally, and if you are looking into the character of the person deeply only, you can write about his internal traits. So your work is write about the external traits and internal traits of any two family members. Then how to convert direct speech into indirect speech. That is a concept time given here. I will explain you in the next video. It's a important concept. Before that, we'll finish off the story. Chapter 6, a strange letter. What is a strange letter? Once, Panditji was astonished to learn that Daksha had treated the soldiers. Panditji was not there, yeah? So Panditji he did not know that she had learned so much working with him. Then when he told Madhyo and others, I couldn't have done better. Daksha glowed with pride. Pride means she was very happy and proud of herself, feeling great. The village gathered at Panditji's house after 3 months of this. What was that? Something unusual had happened. What happened? One postman had come up to their village. Postman was coming to the village. It's a very strange thing there because it was such a place that nobody used to come. He had never done that before. Postman had never done that before. His first time is coming. He usually gave letters to Mangru from the village who had a shop. Only for that person he used to give the letter. This letter was different. It was a registered letter. Registered letter means a name will be there. Only to that particular person the letter should be given and sign should be received after delivering that. So the important letter. And what was there in the letter? Only the postman knew that, because only the postman knows English and he knows to read that. Others in the village doesn't know to read English. So all were waiting for the postman to read. Postman said they want to take Daksha. That's all he said. Postman said they want to take Daksha. Who wants to take Daksha? The army. Why? What has she done? They say they will put her in the army school to make her a soldier. So the army people wanted to take her and put her in the army school. But Daksha began to tremble, shivering with fear. Why? She did not want to go away from the village. But the problem was solved by Subedar Hamid, who came to the village. He explained, Army Welfare Association, there is an association. It is run by the army people wives. Wives நடத்துகிற ஒரு association. அதில் these ladies wanted to help Daksha by giving her an education. Good education they wanted to give. Why? Because they were impressed by Daksha's skills and the talents. So we feel she should have the best opportunities. Daksha can stay in the hostel with her family. My daughters are about the same age, he said. Subedar Hamid had 2 daughters of the same age. So they were eager to meet her. Daksha did not want to go. She was a shy girl. She did not mingle with people easily. Mingle means easily talking to somebody and having fun and all. She did not like. But she had to go because she needed a good future. She did not want to leave the village. She did not want to leave the surroundings. But Pandit Ji and the Subedar Hamid gently convinced her. She told Pandit Ji she wanted to stay back. So she had to do so much work there. But Pandit Ji explained, you have done so much work here and I have all the medicines ready now. So you go and join the school there. During holidays, you can come and help me. Finally, she agreed. Daksha, anytime you can come back, I will bring you back myself. Okay, so don't you think you will be among strangers? He explained. Everyone in the army unit knows about you. How do they know? Because she helped an army person and saved his life. So they all made him a part of the big loving family.